Welcome to my YouTube channel PQS Digital IT. Today I am going to tell you about GilletteLabs with Exfoliating Bar and GilletteLabs Heated Razor and its reviews.
One on the back, one on the front, and I got a great grip here. It's easy to change the blade or use the blades with this. You're just going to be popping it in, and this is going to be using the exfoliating bar blade, and I'll show you what I mean. It's a little bit different than if you were using the previous generation. I'm going to pop it in, and you lock it in, and we'll take it out. So this is actually the razor from GilletteLabs now. This is the new razor from GilletteLabs. It's easy to use. It comes with this kind of it comes with a new swivel motion. So depending on where you're shaving on your face, you want to get the closest shave possible. But the angle of your razor might be not optimal, because unless you're changing your hand position constantly, if you're just going on the side of your face and you're not going on the grain, or you're going against the grain, or you're going not on the curvature of your face, it could affect how close your shave is. This is Gillette's new solution to solving that issue, because now this blade will rotate, it will swivel from left to right, and that's a new feature. As well as this is going to be giving you that kind of support, so when whatever angle it's on your face, it's going to swivel. It gets a really close shave without causing any damage, and I think that's a really important option there. So inside this box, you'll be getting one handle and two refills. They also come in the color gold. This is what Gillette considers their best razor blade. This is what Gillette considers their best razor blade, because that 2D FlexDisc contour that they have here is going to give you that closer shave. And this blade right here, it comes with the new advanced infrastructure or architecture for their blades. Let me just show you what that means. So this has the exfoliating bar. So this bar is going to prepare your skin for how close that shave is going to be. It also still has that micro strip up top. This is specifically designed for incredibly close shaves because they're using their best blades. And the razor handle is backed by a lifetime warranty. So overall, this is just a really well-constructed, premium razor that I've been looking to upgrade my razor. And I have a lot of these, right? I have a lot of these. This razor blade will not fit the previous generation. Let me just show you what I mean. The previous generation uses razor blades.
Hey there, I just bought this Gillette men's razor with exfoliating bar, so I wanna show it to you. Now when you open the box, you have this nice GilletteLabs interior. Of course, right away you see the razor handle itself, then you see the shaving cartridge. Then when you open the other compartment, you have 3 extra refills, plus this awesome metallic stand for the handle. I've got the handle is really good quality, really well done. Of course, it has the Gillette logo. Then you see the green exfoliating bar on top. Now the handle provides also good grip, and of course it's easy to put the razor's refill. Also, to take out the blades, you just push this little circle and it's gonna pop right off. Now what I like about the base of it is actually really heavy. Also, this Gillette razor has 5 blades, which is good. So I started to shave with it, and the shaving is super smooth. It's actually really nice. So I think for the quality of this Gillette shaving gear and also the shave quality itself, I think this is a great value.